Do you find happiness in simple things? Do you feel sadness sometimes? Do you control your anger? Is love important in life? Do you value honesty? Do you admire bravery? Do you enjoy your freedom? Is success your goal? Do you learn from failure? Is friendship special to you? Do you believe in kindness? Do you have patience? Do you seek knowledge? Is wisdom more important than knowledge? Do you always speak the truth? Do you trust your friends? Do you believe in justice? Do you want peace in the world? Do you have confidence in yourself? Does music bring you joy? Do you face your fear? Do you live with hope? Do you have faith in God? Do you believe in charity? Do you notice beauty in nature? Do you show respect to elders? Is loyalty important in friendship? Do you have a strong ambition? Do you take pride in your work? Do you enjoy creativity?